Hi guys, today we talk about how can you add your website on your Goodreads app. We're going to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So all you have to do, you just go down, you click here on menu down here. So then it's going to show for you list like this. Then all you have to do, you just click here on settings here. So then you come to this list. Then all you have to do, you just click here on settings here. So then it's going to take you to next step. Then all you have to do, you just click here on profile. So then you come to this list, you just go down here, then you click here on my website here, just click on it, then here you add your website here. So then when you just down click here on save, then it's going to save with you on your Goodreads app. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.